Yep, this is Doc Mountain and welcome you to my channel. I'm going to show you how you can actually withdraw money from your Binance to YellowCard. So what you do is you have to open your YellowCard, and this is YellowCard which you're seeing here. It's been opened, so click your USDT, then click receive. Copy the URL, the USDT wallet address that you're seeing there. Then go to Binance.
Excuse me, boss. You have a text message.
Go to Binance. Okay, we are in. So what you do here is you click the bottom right corner, portfolio. Okay, so now go to USDT because that's where the money is. Okay, so now when you get here, there's withdraw, there's deposits. Click withdraw. And they're saying long press to paste the on the network. That is TRC20 withdraw. Okay, email address. Whose email address? Just to get the code. I want us to get the code that has been sent. Okay, that will be sent to the email address. Security issues here. Okay, so I'm checking. They have sent the code into my email inbox. They're saying withdrawal request from Lusaka. What. Okay, so they have actually sent the code here. So I'm punching it in. Whatever I do, what am I doing? Okay, so phone number. Okay, they want to ensure that it's me who has initiated the withdrawal. I like this. Okay, so the message has come through on the mobile number which I registered with Binance. So withdrawal processing. We will see if it will reflect in my YellowCard. So now it took approximately 10 minutes for the withdrawal to be successful. So let's check for the message that I was sent in my email inbox. So they're saying Binance with. Let's now head on to YellowCard and check out the money. Check out the money. Check out the money. Check out the money. My YellowCard is here. So there is my 175. So now I'm able to manipulate money in my YellowCard account. Can easily withdraw money from here. So that's how we do it, baby. You check out other videos on how to withdraw money from here.